Hello, my dear students, and welcome back in our lecture series. Today we discuss about the Marine National Park and Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary. Marine National Park is situated in the near Gujarat, Jamnagar district, and Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary is also near about the Jamnagar and Kutch area. So, Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the Kutch region. And I am Mr. Pradeep Kachia, Head Department of Biology, Dr. Subhash Science College, Junagadh. So let's we start our lecture. Marine National Park. Basic introduction. Marine National Park has the distinction of creating to country of the first Marine National Park in Gulf of Kutch. So in area of the national park is called the Gulf of Kutch, and Gulf of Kutch area is Marine National Park is situated there. Habitat is Marine National Park is abound is variety of the marine wealth. Mangroves, corals, coral reefs, seagrasses, seaweeds, sandy areas, mudflats, and other associated habitats in Gulf of Kutch. Location: this national park and sanctuary is located in the intertidal zone along with the coastal area of the Jamnagar district, extending to nearly 458 square kilometer in Gulf of Kutch and 30 kilometer away from the Jamnagar. So मरीन नेशनल पार्क का जो लोकेशन है वो जामनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है और नियरली जो है 458 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर इन गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ एरिया में वो सिचुएटेड है एंड 30 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द जामनगर. This is the location of the Marine National Park, and we can see here. This is the Marine National Park area and Gulf of Kutch area. This is a borderline area. An area of 162.89 square kilometer is declared as a marine national park, and an area of 457.92 square kilometer has been declared as a marine sanctuary. So marine national park and marine sanctuary both are there. Total area is 931.33 square kilometer of area, includes mangrove forest, 42 islands. Islands also there. 42 islands in national park cover in this area. Of the 33 islands have coral reefs. So why Jamnagar district in Gulf of Kutch area is declared as a marine national park? Because of the because of the coral biodiversity is very rich, and that's why coral are there, and due to the coral so many marine organism species or marine biodiversity are survive together. That's why is declared as a marine national park. Floral species or flora are there are 108 of algae, sea slug, algae, shark species of brown algae and red marine alga, sag, sesame, kheru, and main terrestrial flora of the coastal area. Mainly 7 species of mangrove are found in this area. These species of mangrove grow above the surface of muddy marshy by pops root growing from the trunk and branches, which provide an excellent haven of water and shorebirds. यहाँ पे जो फ्लोरल बायोडाइवर्सिटी की बात हुई है, फ्लोरल बायोडाइवर्सिटी में क्या कहा जाता है कि वहाँ पे जो रेड algae है, ब्राउन algae है, ग्रीन algae है, उसकी स्पीशीज मिलती है फ्लोरल में, और 108 स्पीशीज है वहाँ पे मिलती है. ओके, बट वहाँ पे साग, शीशम, खेरू जो टेरेस्ट्रियल फ्लोरा है उसकी भी स्पीशीज मिलती हैं. यहाँ पे बात की गई है मैंग्रोव की. अगर हम बात करें मैंग्रोव है वो उसके रूट है वो जो बाहर की साइड होते हैं वो मडी एरिया में जनरली पाए जाते हैं। मडी एरिया में उसके रूट अंदर से रेस्पिरेशन नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए वो रूट है वो आउटर साइड ऑफ द मड। सो उसका जो रूट पोजीशन है वो मड के अपर साइड में होता है। वहाँ पे ये जो मैंग्रोव्स की स्पीसीज भी मिलती है, उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे जो कोस्टल बायोडाइवर्सिटी है, कोस्टल जो वेल्थ है, एनिमल बायोडाइवर्सिटी और बर्ड स्पीसीज है, वो काफ़ी सारी वहाँ पे पाई जाती है। फोना की बात किया जाए अगर, तो फोना, द एरिया हैज़ एक्सेलेंट कोरल रीफ, 37 स्पीसीज ऑफ हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट कोरल, 70 स्पीसीज ऑफ द स्पॉन्जिस, 150 to 200 species of fishes, 27 species of the prawn, and 300 species of crabs, more than 200 species of mollusks, sea turtle and sea snake also, and sea mammals like dugong, dolphin and whale, 94 species of water birds, 78 species of the terrestrial birds are found there. So we can see here coral reef, so many population are there, 37 species of the hard and soft coral both are there, 70 species of the sponges. So it's a very big or very high, very big diversity of their sponges, 150 to 200 fish species also there. So livelihood and other food chain is maintained, other animals to catch the fish and is survive there. 27 species of the prawn also, 30 species of the crab, 200 species of the mollusk, sea turtle also are there, and mammals, in mammals dugong, dolphin, whale, 94 species of the birds. So many big biodiversity are there. That's why it's called also as a marine national park, declared as a marine national park. Sponges, coral, giant sea anemone, jellyfish, seahorse, pufferfish, octopus, oyster, sabella, nereis, physalia, starfish, bonella, sepia, lobster, prawn, shark, and other fish are found there. So this is the name of the species like sponge, coral, giant sea anemone, jellyfish, seahorse. Seahorse is a scheduled animal. Okay, like dugong also scheduled animal, dolphin, whale, shark also scheduled animal. So there are so many scheduled animal also live there. Okay, Bonellia species is all only and only we can see in the marine national park. And Bonellia is female is the large and male is the small, Y-shape species. So Bonellia is only we can see in the marine national park. So that's why the so many scheduled species are survived there. That's why it's called declared as a national park. And best time to visit is the best season to visit from October to March. This is the marine national park visit time is generally it time to the winter time, and winter time to biodiversity is the rich. Now we can discuss about the sanctuary, Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary. So here we can complete the two national park, or in previous lecture we can complete our Gir National Park, and now we are complete the Marine National Park, and now we discuss about the sanctuary. So first one is the Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary. Its name suggests that this area is a desert area, and there is the wildlife sanctuary are there. Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary is the largest sanctuary in the state and one of the largest in the country too. So we can assume is a very big, or area cover is very high in the wildlife Kutch wildlife area. Great Run of Kutch, like Little Run of Kutch, was island, sea and Kutch and island before situated due to the discharge of sediment and silt by rivers. So we can assume, हम यहाँ सोच सकते हैं कि ये जो कच्छ डेजर्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी का जो एरिया है वो वहाँ पे पहले कोई रिवर अदर और सी वहाँ पे थे और वो आइलैंड टाइप का एरिया था. but right now is a totally desert area. Rivers, stream and tidal waters. The evolution process, just we discuss, is the evolution. In past there is some rivers or sea can sea also, but right now the evolution process of the grk is influenced by the geological changes like formation of Allahabad due to the earthquake. The vast flat saline land got submerged under the cap of water during monsoon, and it dries up to October to November. So is the basic introduction of this area. The area is famous wildlife as breeding ground of greater flamingo between Khauda and Khadir. This is a two name, Khauda and Khadir. Is the area there is a Flamingo City are there, and greater flamingo are survive there because there is some surface water or pond like water are there, so it easy to flamingo is for survival or easy to catch the food there. Flamingo City, a breeding area, is in northeast to Kaladungar, about the 10 to 12 km away. Kaladungar is a one hill station in this sanctuary area, wildlife sanctuary area. Is near by I think 60 km away from the Indo-Pak border. Most of the saline desert area of this sanctuary is devoid of human habitation. It is the largest true saline desert in the world. It is unique because of habitat covering the large area is not found elsewhere in the world, which also supports some of the rare species. So यहाँ पे क्या कहा जाता है कि most of the saline desert area of the sanctuary is devoid the human habitation. जहाँ पे ऐसा एरिया है वहाँ पे ह्यूमन कम सर्वाइव करते हैं, जिट्स वाई वहाँ पे डाइवर्सिटी भी ज़्यादा होती है, बट वो डेजर्ट एरिया है, वहाँ पे समर में पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम रेयर दिखती है. और वर्ल्ड में यहाँ पे बोला जाए कि इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ट्रू सलाइन डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड में ये लार्जेस्ट सलाइन डेजर्ट है. It is unique because habitat covering the large area is not found elsewhere in the world, which support the sum of rare species. क्या कहा जाता है यहाँ पे कि ये यूनिक एरिया है जो लार्ज एरिया को कवरिंग करता है, और यहाँ पे जो स्पीसीज पाई जाती हैं वो दूसरे जगह पे नहीं पाई जाती है. ठीक है, उसकी वजह से ये यूनिक एरिया है और यहाँ पे जो रेयर स्पीसीज है वो पाई जाती हैं. The sanctuary is located in the northeastern part of Kutch district, bordering Pakistan and wildest sanctuary. Wildest है वो, wildest को यहाँ पे गुजराती में गुड़खर बोला जाता है. ठीक है, वो wildest sanctuary वहाँ पे है, कच्छ डेजर्ट वाइल्डलाइफ सेंचुरी. कच्छ डेजर्ट wildlife sanctuary covered an area of the 7,506.22 square kilometer. The sanctuary was declared in February 1986. Although the GRK was declared as a sanctuary on 28 February 1986, settlement work have not been completed till date. This is the we can see here the figure. This is the Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary area, and where in the world, in the India or in Gujarat, this is a very big wildlife sanctuary area. Now, floral species of the plant diversity is poor in the sanctuary, and because of this is saline area, that's why the no more than terrestrial diversity is very low, or plant diversity is low because of the some plants it not survive in the saline area. That's why the plant diversity is poor. Pilu, Piludi, Google, Bear, Gorad, Ingorio, Thor, Khichdo, Gandobawad, Dolri, मोरड, बोकनो आर द मेन स्पीसीज। यहाँ पे जो स्पीसीज दी गई है, ये जो स्पीसीज के नाम दिए गए हैं वो वहाँ की मेन स्पीसीज है, वहाँ पे इतनी स्पीसीज पाई जाती है। फोनल डाइवर्सिटी की बात किया जाएगा, अगर एनिमल की बात किया जाए वहाँ पे, तो इंडियन वाइल्डेस्ट, ये जो स्पीसीज है वो दूसरी जगह पे कहीं पे नहीं पाई जाती है। ठीक है, सो इंडियन वाइल्डेस्ट स्पीसीज है वहाँ की नेटिव स्पीसीज बोले जाता है। चिंकारा, वुल्फ, डेजर्ट कैट, कैरेकल। कैरेकल है वो भी रेयर स्पीसीज में इंक्लूड किया जाता है, क्योंकि वो रेयरली वी कैन सी, वो कैट की स्पीसीज है, बट वहाँ पे कच्छ डेजर्ट में वो पाई जाती है। बस्टार्ड, बस्टार्ड है वो भी एक थ्रेटन स्पीसीज है। ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टार्ड, गोराड, जो स्पीसीज है वो अभी इंडिया में अभी, मतलब अगर हम गिने जाए तो 12 या 15 स्पीसीज वहाँ पे कच्छ में, अगर अभी के आंकड़े देखे जाए तो शायद वहाँ पे इतनी स्पीसीज है, और उसके बाद वहाँ पे उसकी स्पीसीज नहीं, वो शाही बर्ड है, उसको अगर थोड़ा सा भी डिस्टर्बेंस अगर हो गया तो वो वहाँ से दूर चले जाएंगे। उसका हैबिटेट है वो ग्रासलैंड है, वो डे बाय डे ग्रासलैंड है वो कम होता जाता है। ठीक है, इको टूरिज्म की वजह से, टूरिस्ट की वजह से कच्छ में अगर देखा जाए तो लास्ट कई सालों से अगर टूरिज्म बहुत एक्टिव हो गया है, तो उसकी वजह से भी कई सारे एनिमल भी वहाँ डिस्टर्ब होते हैं। दूसरी चीज़ देखा जाए तो वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रियल जोन ज़्यादा एक्टिव होने लगे हैं, तो उसकी वजह से भी ग्रासलैंड है वो कम होते जाते हैं। ठीक है, तो उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे ऐसी जो रेयर स्पीसीज है, जो थ्रेटन स्पीसीज है, उसकी सर्वाइवल में खतरा क्रिएट हो गया है। ठीक है, सो bustard are threatened species of the century, listed in Schedule 1 under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972। ऐसी जो स्पीसीज है, जो बस्टर्ड है, वो वहाँ पे शेड्यूल 1 स्पीसीज में उसको इन्वॉल्वमेंट किया गया है, क्योंकि वो अभी वहाँ पे थ्रेटेंड कैटेगरी में है। अदर वाइल्ड लाइफ लाइक ब्लू बुल, वाइल्ड बोर, स्ट्राइप राइना, इंडियन डेजर्ट फॉक्स, civet cat, hare, jungle cat, mongoose, and porcupine are found in the sanctuary. This is the faunal diversity in the wildlife sanctuary. Several species of the bird, reptiles, and insects are also recorded in the Great Rann of Kutch. More than species of mammals, excluding bats and rodents, and over 160 species of the birds are listed in the Great Rann of Kutch. So this is a faunal diversity of the sanctuary. Also, we can call it as a Flamingo City. We just discussed earlier. Flamingo City is located in the mud flats of the Rann. It is about 10 km away from the Kaladungar hill. It is the nesting place of the thousands of greater flamingo. It is only area where flamingo breed regularly. Also, the reserve house, the white pelican, and the avocet, which have made this their breeding ground. These are another two birds, pelican and avocet. There is a and breeding ground also. This bird, the great Indian bustard, painted sand goose, lark, tits, raptors, steppe eagles, tawny eagles, and various waterfalls can be seen here nearby this Flamingo City. Indo-Pak international border. So the northern boundary, and this area is the nearby the Pakistan area also. So Indo-Pak international border are there. The northern boundary of the sanctuary from the international border between the India and Pakistan. It is highly patrolled by BSF, Border Security Force in India. Only tourists and researchers can enter here with the special permission of the BS. Otherwise, we can not easily to visit there. Okay, so this is the uh, basic or in detail discuss or introduction of the uh, Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary. Snow white run also there. It because of the this is the desert area, so white run are there in the area control of the patrol by BSF. There is a several hundred square kilometer of the run is pure white like snow with heavy deposit of the sealed crystal. So there is a snow white run or look like the snow. This is a very large area in the site of the BSF patrolling site. Okay, so thank you so much. This is the two today we completed two tasks. This is a marine national park and the Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, now this motto to we save animal, save nature. Okay, thank you.